Hi guys! To see how I used this edition number 8 Deck of Scarlet full face makeup palette, keep watching! Today I have the Deck of Scarlet makeup palette for May and June. And Deck of Scarlet is a subscription for a full face makeup palette delivered every 2 months for only $29.95 and free US shipping. I'll put a link below in the description box, and if you click through that link, you will automatically save 30% on your first purchase, and your palette will only cost $21 instead of $29.95. And you can choose any palette that you want. So if you're not crazy about the colors in this palette, you can pick any other palette to get started, or even every other month, or whenever you want, you can pick any palette that you want. So each palette is in collaboration with a YouTuber, and this one is with Kim Tai. All of Deck of Scarlet's makeup is cruelty-free and paraben-free. So I'll show you what it looks like when it comes in the mail. It comes in this cute little packaging with the whole palette, and there's an extra that comes with it. Sometimes it's an eyeliner or a lip crayon or a lip liner. This month, for the first time, they have a gloss. This is so gorgeous. It's got like sparklies in there. I can't wait to try this. And this is the palette, and it comes in a little cardboard container. And take the little plastic sleeve off. Look how gorgeous these colors are, you guys. So it comes with 3 eyeshadows, a blush, a highlighter, and then on this side it has 2 different lip colors. And like I said, it always comes with an extra, which is the gloss this month. And it has a mirror right on the palette. So if you do subscribe, you can cancel or skip any month that you want. You can also purchase any palette or product that they have on their website without a subscription. Another thing that I love, if you go on their website, you'll see they have tons of makeup tutorials with so many different ideas for each palette. Like a bunch of YouTubers will put their videos up there, so you get so many different ideas of how to apply so many different looks to each palette. So I've already done my foundation, my eyebrows, and bronzer, and I will link all the products that I used below in the description box. I don't know why I like doing this, but when I have a full face makeup palette like this, I like to apply everything backwards. I like to do my cheeks and lips first because they have 2 colors, well really 3 with the gloss. So I like to do that first, and then I can get more inspired by what I'm going to do on my eyes. So today I'm going to start with the blush, which is called Tiara. Oh, so pretty! That is gorgeous. Super pigmented, so I am going to use my Revlon translucent powder on my big brush and just blend that in a little bit. Wow, that's so pretty. This is one of the most pigmented blushes I have actually ever used. Now I'm going to put some of this highlight on my cheekbones. This is Fairy Dust. Oh, hello! Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I am loving this palette. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh, you guys, hello! Then I'm going to go over with my blush brush, but I'm not adding any color, just to blend it in a little. Now I'm going to use this color, Kiss. Oh, this is super creamy. Love it. Very neutral, natural looking. Okay, I'm dying to try this gloss with the sparkles. I'm gonna put it right over the Kiss lip color. My God. Hello, Shine. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, I love the smell. I don't know what it smells like. Almost chocolate, maybe. I don't know. If you guys get this palette, comment down below, let me know what this smells like. It smells amazing though, and it's gorgeous. Okay, so far I'm obsessed with this palette. Next, I'm going to use the lightest color eyeshadow called Myth. Super natural color. And it's not too warm. It's kind of like a neutral brown. Really, really like it. Next, I'm going to put on this color Enchanted. It's really pretty. It almost looks like a foiled color. I'll show you the other foils that I have from Deck of Scarlet. They are so gorgeous. Look at these. Beautiful. And it looks, let's see. Oh yeah, that's definitely like a foil. Very similar. It's got super pigment just like the foils. Love it. So first I'm going to try it dry. Usually I like to wet the foils that I use to give them more pigment, but let's see what happens. Oh yeah, baby. That is really pretty. Gorge. Wow. All right, let's see if we can amp it up even more. I'm going to use some of my Pure Bliss setting spray. Just wet my brush. Let's see if we can get even more pigment out of it. Oh, yes. Honestly, it is beautiful either way. Now I'm going to go back to the Fairy Dust highlighter. You guys, I am like obsessed with this palette. I love the shimmer and the glow that these products are giving. They're creamy, they're pigmented. I love the colors. I'm obsessed. How many times have I said that? Oh yeah. This is like my ideal spring, summer, glowy idea of makeup. And I have my self-tan on. It's gorgeous outside right now. I can hear the motorcycles going by. And now I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes in Black is Black Waterproof. Already got it on myself. This mascara stays on so good that you can't let it dry. Like normally you would just let your mascara dry and then get it off after. Not this one. If I let it dry, it's not coming off. Okay, this is the first look. I'm loving it. This is perfect for daytime. I would even wear this for nighttime. Love it. So now I'm going to use some more products in the same palette and get a nighttime look. Usually one of the first things that I do to go from day to night is add eyeliner. So I'm actually using the Deck of Scarlet liquid eyeliner that they also sell this separately on their website, and it comes in some of the other palettes. I like that, I don't know if you can hear this, has like a little shaker ball in there or shaker something to get the eyeliner down to the bottom of the felt tip, which is great because some of them, it just kind of sits there and the end of it ends up drying out. So I didn't change anything except for add the eyeliner, and it definitely gives it a different look. Ready for a night out. Now I'm going to switch up the lip color. There's like so many different combinations that you could do. Now I'm using this color, Maiden. Love it. Oh, these are so creamy. It's getting on my teeth, but definitely blot it first. Gorge. Now I'm going to add in some of the Crown eyeshadow. I'm going to wet my brush and dip it into the eyeshadow. Oh, this looks very pigmented. I'm using this angled fluffy brush that I love to use when I'm doing my eyeshadow. It's almost like a blending brush and it's angled so it gives you more control of where you're putting the eyeshadow. And I will link all of these brushes along with everything else I'm using down in the description box. I'm going to use some of the Enchanted foiled eyeshadow and go in the middle. Okay, I'm going to add some more mascara and I'm going to tight line underneath with the mascara because it does not come off. Just kind of roll it under my lash line, and this does not work with every mascara, but this one, the brush is perfect for that. So here's another look by just adding the reddish crown color and the lip color. What was the name of that? Maiden. So I am going to add a nude eyeliner, Scandalize, into my waterline to give it just a little pop. I feel like that really makes the red pop. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm usually not crazy about the nude waterline, but in this case, I am really liking it. So I'm going to try one more thing. I am going to layer the gloss over the Maiden lipstick. See how that looks. Very pretty. Oh, I love it so much. This palette is amazing. If you guys decide to buy this palette or to subscribe to Deck of Scarlet, let me know what you think this lip gloss smells like. I can't stop smelling my lips because it smells so delicious. And don't forget, I will put a direct link below in the description box to the Deck of Scarlet website and a coupon code so you guys can save 30% on your first purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.